Hi, this is your old pal Pitmaster T. Welcome to Pop Daddy's Funkotorium. Today we're going to learn how to season your Super 55. This is my first fire up today. So we're going to be seasoning it and all the parts that go in it. So let's get going. First up, I am going to be using 100% grapeseed oil. No, it's a little bit expensive. There are other things you can use, but I want a glass-like black finish. So I'm actually going to spray the outside of this heat shield. The firebox goes inside of this. I'm going to be using some avocado oil for this. I'm going to spray the outside. Slightly wiping this all the way around, make sure everything is covered. Got some grapeseed oil, and if you take a look, this stuff doesn't spray, but I am getting it all over every place I can, but not too much. I'm gonna spray this edge. That right there is for my electrical probes, my temperature probes coming in. Saturated towel. We're going to get in there. Now I realize I can't reach because probably should have done the bottom first, because my shirt will get all greasy. You're going to notice that this oil, as it heats up, it's going to end up covering the bottom anyway. Heat shield first. Make sure in front of your temperature probe there are no holes. So you're going to drop this down. And make sure that right here, if you can see, right here is my temperature. It's the stem of my temperature probe. You want to make sure that this area that doesn't have any holes on the bottom, and the holes need to be facing the bottom. This is the heat shield. The screw areas, either this side or this side, is facing right up above that stem. I have, you can put this in. Shut her down. Gonna open up this all the way. This one's closed. And this one, I'm going to open up finger width. Okay. Let's take a look inside. Yeah. This is fucking amazing. And we're burning pretty steady at a 260. That little dip there is when I opened the lid just now. So we're going to bring this up in 2 increments to get it up to 300. But it's burning pretty steady. So I need this to get to 300. And there's where we are. We could go full open, but whenever you're changing temperatures on something like this, you want to go in measurements of small increments. We're in the 260 range. I am going to open this up about that much more, see what the effect is. So we're at about 312, and these little notes are when I open a little bit more, and then full throttle. So full throttle is just above 300 at this ambient temperature. Okay, it's the next day, and I wanted to show you the results of the first fire. That's the diverter plate. Firebox is right there. And as you can see, very minimal amount of oil left on there, And today I'm going to do one more test where I'm just going to run this thing at one setting without touching it, hopefully settling in on the 300 range to see how long it will go. I did a lot of stuff yesterday, such as shutting it down to make sure that I could shut it down and that I didn't have any leaks, you know, around the seams here, and it really did well.